As I understand it, you want to create as much space in your van as possible, but at the same time, you want to have delineated areas, such as a dining area, a kitchen, a toilet, and a bedroom. And a lot of people are looking how to separate the kitchen from the bedroom without necessarily taking up a lot of space. So here's my take on it. Actually, it's not my take, it's Sandra's take.
Hello, yeah, still got my hat on. Right, one modification that we're going to make is Sandra sleeps on this side of the bed. And whilst the kitchen, she can put her stuff in, she was looking for a little area that she can put a drink and a phone on. And this is one of the benefits of working with 80/20, although you don't know it at the time. Hold on 1 second. And I guess the one really good thing about 80/20, which you don't think at the time, is that partly you have some offcuts. So you're thinking, okay, well, you know, we can put that piece in there and get an idea of how it fits and the like. But the other thing is, invariably, you end up with bits that are too short. So, like this bit, it's too short. But again, the great thing is just for mock-ups, you can piece the bits together. And I've got a little piece in there, just here, that makes this up the perfect length. So I can now drop this in here, and I've got my first upright. Okay? Then, because I've got a piece of 80/20 along here, I can bring this one along here and put it together. So sort of a bit like that. And it starts to give me an idea of what I need. If I can see, can you see? Yes, you can see. What I need to make up this little shelf. And I've got other offcuts, and they may be rounded, it doesn't matter. But I can start to make up what it will look like. Also, and I'll take this out of my holder for this and turn it around, is from here, we wanted something that provided a sort of a gap between the kitchen and the bedroom, and of course to stop pillow and probably Sandy falling out. So what we've got here is we've got these bits here that I can slot in. That probably needs to go that side. And it just needs to hang there for now. And this bit here, not a bad length, but it's not bad. So we can slot that in there. And suddenly, we've got an idea of how that sort of finishes up. And if you think at the bottom, we can have a piece of wood that maybe is about that height, then that starts to finish it off quite nicely. Plus, as Sandra pointed out, this piece here, when it's into there, we've now got a slot. If necessary, we can put a piece of wood there to finish that off. I'd never thought of any of this, but this is an element where the 80/20 starts. Oh, good. Apart from, you know, I'm almost guaranteed to get a 90%, or sorry, 90 degree. And I do check it out with my little square that I've got here to make sure I've got a 90 degree. I think it's going to make me much more successful than if I built it in wood. So I've now got my measurements. So all I need to do now is cut it accurately, and we'll put this shelf together. See you in a minute. Right, let's have a look and see where we are. So, you see here, you can see these 4 bars. Okay, and as we go round, you can see that there'll be a shelf here. This needs to be cut down, that's fine. And it gives a little bit of separation between the kitchen and the bedroom. So, I think Sandra's idea is a sound one. Plus, what it also gives, you see, we have a groove up there, we have a groove down there, and we have a groove along the bottom. And down, groove, groove, and groove, which means we can slide a piece of wood in there to finish off the kitchen wall, however we see fit. So, tickety-boo. So, as you can see, Cosmo has been overseeing the duties today. And let me show you what we've done. People always talk about having some partition between the kitchen and the bedroom. So that's what we've done. And we've done it in 80/20, which also means we have a little shelf for Sandra for her drinks at night. So there we go. Nice little partition. As always, takes longer than you think. But hiddly diddly, diddly do.
Thanks for watching.